Have you ever wondered how Netflix, YouTube, or live sports broadcasts stream videos so smoothly to your phone or TV, even when your internet speed changes? The secret behind this magic is a technology called HLS or HTTP live streaming. In this video, I am going to explain what HLS is, how it works, and why it's so important for delivering videos to millions of people worldwide. First, what is HLS? HLS stands for HTTP live streaming, a method developed by Apple to stream video over the internet in a way that's fast, reliable, and flexible. Instead of sending a whole video file at once, HLS breaks the video into small pieces or chunks, usually a few seconds long. Imagine watching a movie on Netflix. Your device doesn't download the entire movie before starting to play. Instead, it downloads small pieces one after another, kind of like eating a video one bite at a time. These chunks are listed in a special file called manifest or playlist, which acts like a roadmap telling your device which chunk to watch next. Breaking video into chunks has two big advantages. First one is adaptability. HLS can provide several versions of the same video at different qualities, like 1080p, 720p, or 480p. And the second one is seamless streaming. Your video player automatically picks the best quality chunk that your internet can handle right now. So if your connection slows down, the video quality adjusts and you don't get stuck waiting or buffering. Because HLS is reliable and works over normal web servers, it's used by giants like YouTube, Netflix, and even broadcasters for live events. This means the same streaming technology delivering your favorite shows also powers your live sports or concerts online. Behind the scenes, the manifest file is a simple text file with special instructions. It tells your video player which chunks to play and in what order, how long each chunk lasts, and what video qualities are available, so it can switch smoothly between them. So to sum up, HLS breaks video into small chunks, uses a playlist to organize them, and lets your player adapt video quality on the fly, giving you smooth streaming no matter your connection. If you want to learn more about how streaming works, from playlists to video player, hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.